lovelies, welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you through a complete lash lift using our One Shot Lash Lift system, our TGA-based lifting system that delivers beautiful, consistent results when used correctly. Let's get started. The very first step is cleansing the lashes thoroughly. This is such an important step because any makeup, oils, or skincare residue can affect how the lotions perform and then impact your final result. For this model, I've chosen a small flex hybrid shield. When placing your shield, you want it sitting nice and close to the waterline to ensure you achieve a beautiful lift right from the base of the lashes. Today I'm gonna use one of my favorite products, the Elleebana. Can you see how easily those lashes are wrapping up onto the shield? That's one of the reasons I love using the balm. It gives you excellent control while keeping the lashes moisturized during the wrapping process. Once the lashes are wrapped, I'm using the Precision Lifter tool to separate and position every lash exactly where I want it. This is also the perfect time to perform a quick check to make sure you haven't accidentally wrapped any lower lashes onto the shield. And can you see here? During my check, I actually found a few upper lashes that hadn't wrapped properly. They were hidden underneath. So this is exactly why these little checks are so important. I also found some stubborn inner corner lashes that wanted to lift away from the shield. So I've gone in with the original Elleebana adhesive to secure them back down. And yes, it is absolutely fine to use the adhesive over the top of the balm when needed. Now we are ready for step 1. Step 1 is our lifting lotion, and because One Shot is a TGA system, it works efficiently to soften and break down the disulfide bonds within the lashes. When applying the lotion, I'm covering approximately 3/4 of the lash length. You want to get as close to the base as possible without allowing the product to touch the skin. To help keep everything perfectly in place, I'm using the Elleebana Lift Lockers. Not only they do hold the lashes securely against the shield, but they can also help create a little extra warmth during the processing. Now it's time to perform a flex check. If you can see the lashes bending as a V shape, it means they are ready. So we can remove step 1 now. It is extremely important to make sure every trace of lotion is removed. Any step 1 left behind can continue processing the lashes and potentially compromise your final result or even lead to over-processing. Now it's time to reposition the lashes perfectly before moving on to step 2. Step 2 is our setting lotion, and once again I'm applying it approximately 3/4 of the lash length. I've placed the lip locker back over the lashes for the same reason before, to keep everything secure and beautifully aligned during processing. Once I've completed my set check and confirmed the lashes have fully reformed, I can remove step 2. Again, make sure every bit of product is removed before moving on to tinting. To prep the area before applying the tint, I'm using the Elleebana Protective Balm around the eye area. This helps minimize unwanted skin staining and offers some fantastic additional skincare benefits as well. Definitely check it out on our website if you haven't already. For my tint mixture today, I've combined violet and black tint along with Regen to help nourish and support the lashes during the service. After allowing the tint to process, I'm performing a gentle lash bath to remove all remaining tint and product residue. And now, for the best part, look at this result. Beautiful lift, gorgeous color, healthy looking lashes, and a happy client. I absolutely love how these lashes turned out. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the One Shot Lash Lift system or any of the products used in today's tutorial, leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to help. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!